What's going on, you guys? It's Mr. Butter over here at Riverview Toyota. What I've got standing behind me is the 2018 4Runner. It's the #1 utility vehicle on or off-road. Give me a quick minute, let me show you why. Now, as you can clearly see, there's plenty of space inside the cargo area. You're also going to have a 120 inverter to power up all your gear. Now, if you're just having a good time sitting around the campfire want some music, don't worry, you've got party speakers in the hatch door. Now, to take on those long trails, you lay these seats completely flat and you'll double your cargo space. Now, if you're looking to switch from 2-wheel to 4-wheel drive on the fly, then our electric 4x4 system is for you. If you're looking for full control inside your 4x4 system, then our manual shift inside of all of our TRD off-road packaging is probably the one you're looking for. But no one stays off-road forever, so you'll still have features like Bluetooth, backup camera, navigation, and many other comfort features. That's why the 4Runner is the #1 utility vehicle in its class. Now, before you leave, you guys, I have to admit, Riverview Toyota takes a lot of pride in their off-road vehicles, offering you things like tire and wheel packaging, lifts, light bars, roof rack accessories, anything that you may want to build your dream 4Runner. With that said, this is Riverview Toyota. I'm Mr. Butter, and that right there, my friends, is the 2018 4Runner.